Hi everyone, today I'm here to share a story with you. The story is about Neha, a kindergarten teacher, and her student Rahul. Let me introduce Neha a little bit. Neha is this young, energetic teacher who has a lot of patience with kids. One of the requirement of working with kids, right? And Rahul is that one talkative ones in the sessions who talk a lot, ask a lot of questions, and always full of energy. And of course, kids are adorable, aren't they? So, one fine day in the session, Neha wants to teach these kids the basic summation, the adding methods, counting methods. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. That is what she wants to teach them. And she spends the whole day in explaining with different examples, scenarios to these kids about how to count and add things. The next day, Neha wants to check that how much they have learned. So she keeps on asking questions to all the kids one by one, and everyone is answering. So Neha is quite happy that all the kids have got it properly. And it comes to Rahul. Now Rahul's favorite teacher is Neha, so he wants to impress Neha with the great answers, quick, smart answers. And Neha also looking forward to Rahul's answer because Rahul is one of those smartest kids in the sessions. So he will get it. Now the question time comes. So here the question goes from Neha's side. Rahul, I give you one apple in one hand, another apple in the other hand. How many apples you have? So Rahul takes his time in counting and very energetically he says, Nehadi, 3. Neha thinks, okay, I think Rahul didn't get the question properly. Let me ask once again. Rahul, I give you one apple in one hand, another apple in the other hand. How many apples you have? Rahul spends time in calculating once again. Nehadi, 3. Now Neha thinks that Rahul is not listening properly or he was not attentive in the class yesterday. Let me ask it once again, last time, or with a little emphasis on Rahul, asking him, Rahul, you need to listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. I'm asking you, if you have one apple in one hand, another apple in the other hand, how many apples you have? Now the tonality has changed. Nehadi looks little upset, so Rahul is a little worried what happened. And he spends a little more time in calculating. Now the answer doesn't come with the confidence, but he comes back with the answer, Nehadi, 3. Now Neha is upset. How is it possible? Rahul is one of the most energetic, smartest kid in the session and everyone is answering. So Neha now asks Rahul that, Rahul, I'm giving you one apple in one hand, another apple in the other hand. How come you have 3 apples? Rahul is little worried why Nehadi looks upset. And then he answers saying, because I have one apple in the bag. Does it happen to you also? Strange, isn't it? Now, what happened here? Both. Let's think about Neha. Neha, who adores kids, has a lot of patience. Rahul, who is very energetic, smart kid, have a very good rapport with each other. But there was a tension between them. There was certain kind of emotions, negative emotions arised in that whole conversation. Why did it happen? What do you think? Because Neha knew the answer before asking the question. Isn't it? Now, this is something which we all do. A lot of times, actually. We know that what the answer should be. But there can be another answer, isn't it? Imagine if Neha would have asked how it happened, how you have 3 apples in the first or second time itself. The kind of emotions that happened at that point of time, it could have been avoided, isn't it? So when we are asking questions or when we are having conversations, let's ask ourselves that, are we trying to listen and understand what the other person is saying, or we are coming up with the right answers in our mind? I think that will help us in improving our relationship a lot with other people. So that's the thought for the day, that let's talk and discuss, not to agree or disagree, but let's to understand, right? So let's have conversations like that. Thank you so much for listening to me.